All right. Well, what do we got for the housing provider tip of the week here? Speaking
All
of
right, so
DC.
housing provider tip of the week. Again, I've been working in maintenance here the last couple of months, so I've been seeing where things can go inefficient for a landlord when they're not on top of things. But one thing, as it's gotten cold here, the no heats have, no matter how much, even if you are servicing them, you still end up getting a few no heats. But when that no heat, or maybe it's not even a heating issue, maybe it's a plumbing issue or a water shutoff issue or meter issue, when those things are in different parts of the building that maybe a resident doesn't have access to, you're finding yourself or paying somebody else to go out there to allow access, whether it be 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. Or, we had a building that we have a small panels, and the breaker kept tripping. And because the tenants didn't have access to that part of the building, we had to keep running someone out there. Now we solved that for a different reason. We ended up upgrading the panel, but if you have some sort of access, whether it be electronic access or a lockbox access, it's so much easier. You don't have to give that to the tenant. You give that to whoever you're sending out there to service those issues. Maybe it's your HVAC guy or your electrician. So try to be smart and efficient about it. And then if you do need to run keys somewhere, you don't have to physically get in the car these days. You could run it through a messenger service, or I always talk about that Roadie.com. They run things around for us all the time. So set up your access so you don't have to run out there 2 a.m. and let a guy in to fix a no heat. That's my housing provider tip.
All right.